y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we going to the snake farm, so we finna see what that's like. We took a couple weeks off. We all was sick. Like every other week somebody was sick, but I think we at least 96% good. So it's a nice day. It's 81 degrees here in Texas, so we decided to get out the house. We've been in the house all for like 2 weeks straight, so we're gonna take this time to enjoy this day and see some animals. There it is, y'all. The snake farm. Birthday parties. But I thought it was gonna be empty, but it's pretty decent. There's a whole little parking lot over there too. So we're gonna see how it is. I'm excited. Is that a rock? Ooh. You ready to see some animals? Hey, look at your purse. Wow, look at your purse. What? The truck? Wow, show them your purse. Oh, snap. We waiting in line. There are the prices. Y'all want to see them? Wow.
That's why I can't have a steak, because I can't eat a steak.
Look right there. You see it? Wow. Look at the snake. Wow, mama. You see it? Look, it's right there. Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow, mama. Oh, look at King Cobra. This one. Say hi. The outdoor section nice. Is she watching it? Got food trucks. Mama, let's see what this is. Oh, I don't think nothing in there. Oh no, it is. There it is, right there. Oh, you smell that? Ooh wee. Mama, you smell that? Ooh woo. What's making that noise? Wow, look at that. A toucan. The fruit loop bird. He's showing off. Wow. Oh, you're raising eagle owl. Got a porcupine.
There's a baby bear. Wow. I don't think he eats like baby.
You like that one? Come on, look. Hey, touch it, touch it. Get it, mama, get it.
What if you pick it up?
Nah.
Oh, look.
So get some food. He hungry, mama.
You gonna give it food?
She said, I'm gonna put it down. Go touch it. Touch it. Yeah, there you go.
You trying to grab it with one hand?
I don't want to hurt it. So. Oh, that sounds good. I don't have to. Mama got pig. Wow, look at the alligators. Wow, have y'all ever seen a hyena? Never seen one of these before. Wow, look at the lion. Say hi. And that's a girl over there. A lion, yeah. Yeah, mama, that's a lion. Good job. That one up there, he's tired. That's like a mountain lion or something. You saw that? Let's see what's over here. Whoa. Uh-oh. Whoa.
You got it!
Let's get down. Say hi. Mama, say hi. Can't tell how big these things are in person. Oh my god. I don't have nothing for you, sir. I can't believe she's not scared of these though. Daddy's scared of these. I can't believe how big these things are in person. Oh, look at those. Say wow. Look at those horns. I know their head is heavy. Dang.
You better get that picture.
Look at the birds. It's a rose-breasted cockatoo. A wrap, y'all. We had a blast. Right, Mama? You have fun? All right. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.